Hi team, this is a video demo for CTF discount. So discounts will be available in the back office one-time purchase on the checkout page if the user's AutoShip is active and it has registered through the replicated card. So and you will need to check the auto ship table. So the thing to check if it is active one, so auto ship is active, and then discounted is one, so that means it signed up from the replicated card and it is viable for a discount. So since I'm using a Ben which I've set up to have a discount, so we'll be testing Ben first with a discounted checkout. So as you see here, discount has been added after subtotal. Subtotal. So we'll check if computation is correct. So let's start with subtotal 5997 times 0.05 or 5%. So that gives us 3 and it's rounded off to the nearest two decimals. So 3 is displayed here. So this count is correct. So 5997 minus 3 plus shipping fee 61 plus 4.13 gives us 70. That's 71. So that is correct. So let's try adding more quantity so we can test the computation of the discount. So let's compute again. So 179. So 59.97, which is the unit price. 59.97 times quantity 3. So 179, that 91 is my subtotal times 0.05% or 5% gives us 9. So 179, that 91 minus 9 plus shipping 10.48 plus tax, which is 12.39. So 193, that's 79. Wait, let me do that again. 179, that 91 minus 9 plus 10.48 plus 12.39. So I've fixed the round off. So let's compute again. So 179.91, which is my subtotal, minus the discount, which is 9 plus 10.48 plus tax 12.39, which gives us 193.78, and it matches this one. So yeah, copy this first. So we are going to test for an approved transaction first. Okay, so let's wait for the email. So this is my email receipt. Then let's check for the totals. So as seen here, subtotal is 179.91, discount is 9, 1048, 1239, total of 193.78. So that's the same thing here. And then let's check transactions. So for transactions table, if the user has been discounted, the columns is discounted and discount will be filled in. So discount is the amount discounted and is discounted is just basically indicator of a discount. So discount is 9 and this transaction is discounted and tax is 1239, shipping is 1048, and then subtotal is 179.91. So that's correct. Total amount charged is 193.78. So that is correct, and then my status is approved. So next is let's create the same transaction, but this time let's try and check out with a failed transaction. So it's a failed transaction, so only the status would differ on this one. So all other values should be the same. Only quantity 1. So this should be our values, and then let's check the transactions table. So status is declined, amount charged is 70.71, which is correct, and then is discounted since that has a discount, and then tax is 4.13, shipping is 9.61, subtotal 1,597, so that is correct. So this time let's try for a transaction without discount. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to deactivate the auto ship of my user. So if either is active is 0 or is discounted is 0, the user will not get a discount. So let's try the same transaction again. So this time I shouldn't get any discounts to my transaction. So please note that the computation of tax is also based on a discounted subtotal. So if you remember, taxes are based on the subtotal of each transaction. So if they have a discount, the tax will be based on the discounted subtotal. So as you see here, there is no discount row. So you'll be checking again if the totals are correct. So 59.97 plus 961 shipping plus tax 4.35 is equal to 73.93. So firm. So 73.93, 4.35, 9.61, 59.97. So totals on the receipts are correct, and then on the transactions table, discount and discounted are blank, and then 4.25 and 7.61. Total amount charged is 73.93. Status is approved. Then same transaction again, this time declined. transactions table. So same amount but declined. Same amounts but the latest transaction is declined. And then same thing, since it's not a discounted transaction, is discount and discounted columns are blank. And then we also received the email for the failed transaction. So subtotal of 27, 7 for 12, 73, 93. So that's all. Thank you.